Alright guys, welcome back to another cryptocurrency video, and today we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum Classic. Make sure you guys watch all of today's video, as a lot of things happened in the last day with Ethereum Classic, and there's a lot we need to cover. First off, as many of you noticed, cryptocurrency had an absolute bloodbath today, with Ethereum Classic losing about 40% of its value at one point during the day, going all the way down to about $48. Before we bounce back up right around the $48 range. Now, many of you guys might be wondering what actually happened. How did this move happen? Everything looked so bullish for all cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum Classic. So how did we end up getting this almost 40% decrease at a point in time? And well guys, the only thing that can explain this massive dump is the whales. One thing that people that deal with cryptocurrency know is that whales control the price at the end of the day. And if the whales want the price to go down, they will get the price down, and there's really nothing people can do about it. In this case, the whales decided to, dump all their cryptocurrency. We're talking billions of dollars worth of crypto. Once the whales start dumping, it causes a chain reaction, as once people's stop loss orders start getting triggered, then the price will just keep going down and keep going down. Please do me a favor, guys, and help me get this video out there and, help the YouTube algorithm. You guys can do this by liking, commenting, and subscribing. The more people that see this video are the more people that are going to see the potential that Ethereum Classic actually has. And the more people that see the potential is this, the higher the price will go, and the more money that you and me make. So yeah guys, make sure you guys are liking, commenting, and subscribing to help get this video out there. One thing I want to show you guys is the amount of liquidation that happened today. As you can see here, 323,000 traders got liquidated, with a total of $2.6 billion in liquidations. And as you see right here, it says the last 24 hours, $3.5 billion in liquidations. So the bulls had a goal of liquidating people and, triggering stop loss orders, which, would jump the price even further, which would liquidate more people and just causing a chain reaction. And that's exactly what happened today. Today was one of the worst days in cryptocurrency history, and I'm not exaggerating with that. Bitcoin went down almost 20% in one day. Only a few times has Bitcoin ever decreased over 20% in a single day. So you can see why everyone is super surprised by what happened today. But anyways, let's take a look at what you guys are here for. So looking at Ethereum Classic, we can see that we had a brutal day, performing worse than a lot of other cryptocurrencies. Like I said earlier, at one point going almost down to 40% decrease. Now, in comparison to a lot of other cryptos, most cryptos decreased anywhere from 10% to 25%, and Ethereum Classic was right on around that 22-23% for most of the day. So we definitely took a bigger hit than other cryptocurrencies. One thing I want to quickly mention is that if you guys watched my last video, you guys know that I talked about this $68 level, and that if I saw Ethereum Classic go below this $68 level, then I would no longer be as bullish on Ethereum Classic. And as you guys see, that is exactly what happened. We stayed around this $68 level for about a few hours, and then dumping after that, going all the way down to about $47. Now the question is can we get a reversal from here? Can we get back up to that $70 price target? When looking at the Fibonacci retracement tool on the daily candles, we can actually see that we are hitting resistance at the 0.5 level. Now this is a good indicator that we could see a swing to the upside and start getting back to where we were previously. However, there still is a chance that we could break through this level and then, start approaching around this $52, $53 range. That is when we will be approaching the golden pocket, which if we break down through the golden pocket, then I will become extremely bearish on Ethereum Classic. But as long as we're staying above this golden pocket level, I do think that we could see a bit of a recovery and, start inching back towards where we were. But if we do drop below this $52, $51 level, I do think that we are entering a bear market. And then we might just have to wait for the next bull cycle to come around. I do not think there's anything much we can do after that. And like I said earlier, the whales are manipulating the price to get everyone liquidated and, trigger stop loss orders. So there's really nothing a small fish can do about it. Real quick, guys, make sure you guys are following me over on Twitter at @MarkedCrypto. This is where you guys can get actually live updates of what I see in the charts and, get live predictions. So you guys know exactly what is happening with Ethereum Classic at all times. So yeah, follow me over there at @MarkedCrypto. But yeah, guys, what I'm really just taking a look at is, can we hit resistance at this 0.5 level? If we can keep hitting resistance here and start swinging to the upside, I could see us approaching this 0.382 level, right around $62. And then the main question is can we break through that level and then start inching towards the 0.236 level? And look, guys, I don't want to sit here and tell you guys that Ethereum Classic is going to be, insanely bullish and we're all just going to make our money back and this is just a little recorrection, because the truth is that no one really knows what is happening right now. This is very unprecedented in recent times for cryptocurrency, and no one really knows how to interpret this. I've heard a lot of different opinions. Some people are saying that it's just a little recorrection, and some people are saying we are triggering a bear market. So no one knows really what to believe. But like I said, guys, just keep an eye at this 0.5 level and make sure that we are staying, hitting resistance at this $57 level. If we do break below this $57 level, the next thing you guys should keep an eye on is this $53 level. And if we break below that level, then that is when I'm going to start getting extremely worried about whether or not we are going to see a recovery in the near future. But until then, guys, I'm just looking to see if we can get a bounce off this level and, get back up into this $60 price range. Once again, guys, this is extremely unprecedented and no one really knows what's going on right now. So the only thing we can do is just hope that the bulls can fight back and, get the price back to where it was. But I do think if it is to recover, it will take some time. So definitely plan on waiting a few weeks to see what will happen. Because the reality is, guys, is we do need to see how these charts actually fill out. We need to see what happens in these next few days to be able to get a grip on what it actually can happen in the future. Because right now we really don't have anything to go off of. If we look at the 4-hourly charts, we only have a few candles to actually look at. So there's nothing really to read or any patterns forming. So we really have nothing to go off of. So that's why these next few days are crucial for us seeing what actually happens.